NMR. First, you need to prepare your sample. So this is if you have a liquid, if you have enough and it's not very viscous, you can inject it pure after filtration, but mostly you will add some solvent. And the solvent will be deuterated chloroform. So you add the solvent, you mix it, and now you have to make sure that there are no particles in there, so you need to filter it. You have to take it into the syringe, then attach the filter on top of the syringe. So in this case it doesn't matter that there is air, because you just squeeze everything through it. Now you take a clean vial and filter everything in there. So now this filtered solution can be used for your NMR, and for that you need another syringe with a different needle. That's the injection needle for the NMR instrument, and you take the solvent in. So this time you have to make sure that there's no air bubble, because that will be injected in the NMR instrument, and so you shouldn't have air bubbles in there. So the way you do that is make sure all the air is on the top. You tap it a little bit, so if you have area in between, that goes on the top as well. And then you squeeze out the air until you see a drop on the top. And now you can inject it into the NMR instrument. So this will probably either do your instructor or your laboratory assistant, so don't do that on your own. Your sample will be injected in here and you will see the NMR on the computer screen. Here is a run name. We call it test start run, so make sure here those data, so you have 15 scans. After one scan, signals should go better with each scan. And now the data is all in here, run complete. Now you click on download data. That's your spectra, and now you can work with the spectra. Another thing you can do is a baseline correction that would be found here, or you can even do compound peaks that gives you only the major peaks. If you know that the shift is not correct, then you can do reference peak. So if you know whatever peak is here should have a specific ppm region, then you can do that. So for example, this peak, if you want to move that, you can just type in here a new shift. You might have to do that once in a while. So in this case here, it's not necessary, it's correct.